audio jungle.
जंगल में मंगल, ये कहावत तो आप सबने सुनी ही होगी। आज मैं अमृत सचदेवा सरहद केसी के सभी दर्शकों को इस कहावत को साकार रूप प्रदान करते गांव चौवाड़ियावाली के सरकारी हाई स्कूल लेकर आया हूं। ओह क्षमा कीजिएगा, मैं आप सबको लेकर आया हूं सरकारी हाई स्मार्ट स्कूल चौवाड़ियावाली। इस स्कूल के अध्यापकों ने हेड मिस्ट्रेस सोनिका गुप्ता के नेतृत्व में स्कूल का ऐसा कायाकल्प कर दिया है कि राज्य सरकार द्वारा पंजाब के सभी हलकों में से एक स्मार्ट स्कूल बनाने के अभियान में फाजिलका हलके में चौवाड़ियावाली के इस स्कूल को चुना है। शनिवार को राज्य भर के 117 स्कूलों जो कि स्मार्ट स्कूल बन चुके हैं का ऑनलाइन उद्घाटन राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री अमरिंदर सिंह ने किया। इस मौके पर उनके साथ शिक्षा मंत्री विजय इंद्र सिंगला, पंजाब प्रदेश कांग्रेस कमेटी अध्यक्ष सुनील जाखड़, शिक्षा सचिव कृष्ण कुमार मौजूद रहे। सीएम ने चुनिंदा स्कूल प्रमुखों से बातचीत में चौवाड़ियावाली स्कूल प्रभारी सोनिका गुप्ता, गांव के सरपंच पवन शर्मा से भी बात की। रस्मी तौर पर उद्घाटन के लिए हल्का विधायक दविंदर सिंह गुबाया, मार्केट कमेटी चेयरमैन प्रेम कुरलिया, एसडीएम केशव गोयल, नायब तहसीलदार विजय बहल स्कूल पहुंचे और 2 साल के भीतर किए गए स्कूल के कायाकल्प के खुले मन से सराहना की। सुपर स्मार्ट घोषित किए गए इस स्कूल की विशेषताओं की बात करें तो इसमें मनमोहक प्रवेश द्वार, लॉकिंग टाइल लगा प्रवेश मार्ग, एसएस पार्क, मैथ पार्क, स्मार्ट बोर्ड प्रोजेक्टर क्लास, जनरेटर सुविधा, शुद्ध पेयजल, बायोमेट्रिक अटेंडेंस, खुले खेल मैदान, मनमोहक एक्टिविटी स्टेज इसकी प्रमुख विशेषताएं हैं। वहीं स्कूल स्टाफ द्वारा चलाई जा रही ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का लाभ इस स्कूल के ही नहीं पूरे राज्य के बच्चे ले रहे हैं, जो कि यूट्यूब लाइव और जिप्सी ऐप के जरिए लगाई जाती है। सुपर स्मार्ट हाई स्कूल चौवाड़ियावाली के सीएम अमरिंदर सिंह द्वारा ऑनलाइन उद्घाटन मौके आसपास के 2 गांवों के प्राइमरी स्कूलों के करीब 20 बच्चों को मोबाइल टैबलेट भी भेंट किए गए। इस मौके पर डीओ एसएस बल, बीपीईओ स्पीच निगरानी, सरकारी मॉडल स्कूल कोड़ियावाली के प्रिंसिपल राजीव मक्कर, टालीवाला के प्रिंसिपल अतुल गर्ग के अलावा स्कूल स्टाफ तपस्या कंबोज, सुमन बाला, मनोरमा रानी, गगन, कंप्यूटर अध्यापक योगेश कुमार, विजय गुप्ता, रचना रानी, आजाद विंदर सिंह, नीलम रानी, शालिनी जोशी, हर्ष छाबड़ा, विजय कुमार, एसएससी मेंबर व अन्य ग्रामीण मौजूद रहे। इस मौके पर हेड मिस्ट्रेस सोनिका गुप्ता, गांव के सरपंच पवन शर्मा व एसडीएम केशव गोयल क्या बोले, आइए आपको उनसे मिलवाते हैं।
Good morning all of you. Myself Sonika Gupta, serving as a headmistress in Government High School Chowdiawali district Fazilka. I joined the school in the 25th of October 2018. The school that was established in the year of 1976. When I joined the school that condition of the school that was very bad. But when I entered in the school, I was having a dream. I have to make my school smart. And by taking this initiative, I have completed now my school as a smart school, and it is being nominated as a smart school in full Punjab. And today, as per the we are having the great interaction with the Captain Vinder sir also, and this was all possible because of the direction that was given by our Punjab Education Department. And I am very thankful to our Honorable Education Secretary Sahab, whose direction that always and whose motivation always inspires me that we have to do something special. And me and my team that we have proved that we can do it, and we have done the things.
मैम मेन फीचर क्या है स्कूल के स्मार्ट स्कूल के?
The smart schools main features are that first of all that we have introduced the main gate as per the education department that was demanding that our school that should be smart from the outside. What we did that we have make our school smart gate that was very smart since our school that was on the road also, and we are having this initiative also. If the school gate is attractive and is very smart, then certainly everybody will used to say that we are supposed to get inside this school. As per the government schools, old impression was if we are going to talk here about that was very worst. Everybody was used to say that government schools look that always seems to be very dull and very shabby, and we have changed the things that we have changed the minds and we have changed this thing that the society that must admit this thing that government schools are very much better than the private schools. Second thing where we have introduced that our schools we should have the smart park, and as a result I have introduced 2 parks in my school, educational park and the SST park special, that we have been come across with so many models we have been set up over there. Now we are getting the compliments from the different schools that you feel also very proud ki whenever the others schools come to your school to visit, and they are saying ki that we are not supposed to go to the science city now, since Chaurewali high school jo hai that is giving the appearance of the science city, then certainly we will bring our students over here so that they will come to know what the things are going to be held in the different faculties wise. Next thing that I have taken the initiative of the SST park. In SST park we have made the 3-dimensional maps, Qutub Minar and the Anglo-Sikh War pillar with the volcano models also.
What about the smart board class, ma'am?
Smart, as per the smart classrooms, we are going to took into considerations. This was the also a dream, part of the dream, because if the school, what we were thinking, as per the direction of the Secretary Saab, your school should have the smart classrooms. Old schools they were having the I think all of you are familiar with this thing having the that was very in the shabby conditions. Now we have introduced technology in all my classes. In my school 11 rooms are there and 9 rooms they are already being set up as a smart classes. As per the Bala Paint is concerned, I have put some special efforts, because what my planning was ki we are not supposed to throw that thing, we are not supposed to paint that much things on the walls or on the main building. Walls that should be ethical, that it should speak up. पैशन है, जुनून है, जुनून दिखना चाहिए है, जुनून सिर्फ क्या नहीं हो सकता. इस चीज़ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਪ੍ਰੂਵ ਕਰਕੇ ਦਿਖਾਇਆ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, better है. That was the result of that also. In my school I have been set up the even the e-content lab also, ROT lab, computer lab that is also become smart now, and of course my office. And as per the entrance also, that when I entered in the school, when I before my first joining I am talking here about, when I entered in the school, there was the path to where I was stepping, that was very worst condition, and now the path here that has been decorated with the interlocking tiles, and this is also I think that is a very remarkable things that we have done in our school. My school, that is now as per the enrollment is concerned, my school enrollment was last year 319. Now my school enrollment that is being crossed up to 363. 15% enrollment if we have raised, that means that is a great and extra achievement for my school.
Thank you, ma'am.
As per the EBC project is concerned, in my school that we have started the EBC English Booster Club also. So that is comprising of the 15 students and 3 teachers, and all the teachers and they are doing a very wonderful job over there. My students and they are used to speak in English. That is also one positive point. And one more thing that I want to say to the department, that a very smart initiative of the Welcome Life that is being introduced in our curriculum. The students they have got the books regarding the Welcome Life, and they are getting the very smart remarks from the parents, since the parents they are used to say, otherwise the students their minds were going here and there. Now they are coming to the track, since Welcome Life project or the Welcome Life books that is being introduced in the curriculum. The students they are going to read the books and they are learning the ethical senses, how to talk to their elders or to youngers. So this was all the things that we have been put. I think that should be the up to the mark now. If we are getting the today remarks, very positive remarks we are getting from the Punjab Education Department, or my school is being shared today, that is a very big day for me. As the Captain Amrinder Singh is going to interact with us also regarding as a smart school parameter, how you have achieved the things. So this is the main big thing, and I am thankful to my Education Secretary Saab, whose direction always motivate me me and inspire me that you are to prove yourself, you are the best. Thank you and have a nice day.
मैं सरपंच पवन कुमार शर्मा गांव चौड़ावाली से और मेरे मेंबर साहबान, मैं आज गांव चौड़ावाली में जो हमारा गांव आज स्कूल जो स्मार्ट स्कूल के रूप में प्रस्तुत हुआ है, इसके लिए समूह स्कूल स्टाफ को, प्रिंसिपल मैम को और हमारे चेयरमैन साहब को बधाई देता हूं और सभी बच्चों को आशीर्वाद देता हूं। और जो हमारा एक गांव मान के चलो पछड़ा हुआ था, उसी हिसाब से जो हमारे गांव के अंदर आज ये ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर बना है, ये हमारे इलाके में नहीं है। और जिस प्रकार हमारे गांव के अंदर जो ये अद्भुत दृश्य है, 2 साल के अंदर अंदर हमारी जो मैम हैं, उन्होंने धरती से उठाकर आसमान के ऊपर इस स्कूल को पहुंचाया है। आने वाले समय के अंदर हर एक बच्चे को शिक्षा देने के लिए उनका एक लक्ष्य था, जो उन्होंने आज पूरा कर दिया है।
आज जो सरकार वालों इंटरैक्शन ऑन स्मार्ट स्कूल एंड क्वालिटी एजुकेशन का प्रोग्राम उलीकिया गया है, उस दे तहत अज असीं इत्थे इकट्ठे होए हाँ। सब डिवीजन फाजिलका दे विच गवर्नमेंट हाई स्कूल चौड़ियावाली नूं स्मार्ट स्कूल का दर्जा दिता गया है। सो इस मौके मैं समूची मैनेजमेंट नूं, पिंड के सरपंच साहब और समूची पंचायत नूं, स्टाफ मैंबरस नूं, प्रिंसीपल और बच्चों नूं बधाई दिंदा हाँ कि ये जो स्मार्ट स्कूल का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर स्मार्ट स्कूल प्रोजैक्ट के अंडर सरकार वालों लिखा गया बनाया गया है, ये एक अपने आप में बहुत वड्डी मिसाल है। ये एक रूरल सब डिवीजन है और रूरल एरिया के विच ऐसा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बच्चों के लिए आने वाले सालों के बहुत ही फायदेमंद है। सो मैं दोबारा बधाई दिंदा होया बच्चों को यही कहांगा कि इस इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का, इन्हां स्मार्ट क्लासरूम्स का वध तो वध लाभ लिता जाए और जो टैब स्मार्ट स्कूल्स के राही वंडे गए हैं, उन्हों का भी वध तो वध लाभ लैके जो बाकी अगे कंपीटीशन के विच कंपीट किया जाए और अगे वध चढ़ के इस सब डिवीजन, इस स्कूल, इस पिंड अगे लिया। थैंक यू।